Hi guys, it's Usual Labs. My name is Ro, and today we're gonna talk about the really famous tool in the SolSphere blockchain. SolSphere called the SolRarity got pretty hyped now. The price for it is pretty dump, and today we're gonna guess, will it go up further? Does it worth it? And is it so easy to use and so comfortable for us to snipe? Let's go. All what we have to do to get access is to buy one of the SolRarity keys. The floor now is about 4, so it doesn't matter which rarity do you buy, they all got the same, absolutely the same functionality. So all we have to do is to buy it, to go on their Discord, to verify it, and then we don't need even to download anything, we just go to their website. Very important thing is if you bother to connect not your Phantom wallet, because Phantom wallet in this latest version does not have function of after proof. And if we talk about the sniping of some really rare NFTs and cheap NFTs, there's no much time for you to buy it, because when you will be clicking to approve or something like that, they will just buy it 100 times already, bots, softs, and all other things. So my recommendation is to connect Slope wallet and to enable the after proof, so you can buy it really fast. So all we have to do is to connect our Discord to have NFT in the wallet, and then we have an access to the sniper. We click on understand the risks, and then we can see a we can see all this is kind of like all listings on Magic Eden that currently are going. So it's almost 2000 collections in here, and we can see all of it with rarity, with number of mint, with its current price, and all we have to do is to click on direct buy, or we can see it on Magic Eden, the floor of this collection, and all other things that we need to snipe. So it's really comfortable, it's really useful. You can see all of these collections, you can see a rarity already, and you don't have to go needing, and so you don't waste much time. I think we have only one problem here, is that we cannot see a floor price. So if you want to snipe all collections, you have to know all floor prices for all collections. This is kind of unbelievable. I don't know, you can try it, of course, everyone has their own strategy, but I got my own too, and I'll show it for you right now. So first strategy is really simple. We just leave all collections down here, but all we have to do is we click on racket only, and we are looking only for a epic, legendary, and mythic NFTs. So for now we only see the epic, legendary, and mythic, and we can try to catch some of them for floor price of this collection. So if you catch the legendary for floor price, you can just outsell it plus 30-40% easily, just in a second. So we are trying to catch a legendary, epic, mythic for floor price or even above, or a little bit higher than that. Yeah, a little bit higher than that. So for example, if for citizens we got, this is kind of cool snipe. If for the citizens we got kind of floor 3.5 right now, you can try to catch some for 3.8, for 4, maybe even for 4.2, but only if we talk about the legendary, and then sell it for 5 or 5.5. This is kind of simple, and this is my first strategy that I've invented. For the next strategy, you need to find a really hyped collection where sales are going pretty nearly every minute. So about 4 or 5 sales for the 10 minutes. This is the minimum. It must be nearly every minute sale. The only collections we want to see in SolRarity, in the Soul Sniper, like this. So yeah, we find this collection, or we can do another thing. I mean, not another thing, but how we can find them as well. We go to the Soul Sniper, we click on the 10 minutes, and we can see the price changing for here now. Of course, we're checking here the volume for the past 10 minutes, for the past hours, because this is really important. And we just check out all of these gainers for 10 minutes, for hour, for day is pretty useless. And you can check out some collections from here. And when you see a lot of collections with a high volume, with the high changes in the price, price, you can just snipe them. So for example, like yesterday, for myself, I found like Drippies. It's pretty hype right now. This was like kind of Citizens. Yeah, Citizens, and I don't know, let's say like Fearless or something like that. Fearless Bulls Club, yeah, and some more. Doesn't matter, you can check out your own. So yeah, this is like 3 collections. They're only like tracking these 3 collections right now. We can make a filter on each of them. So for example, we have like kind of only like 10 soul, so we click only for 10 soul, and it's not showing us the NFTs with price more than a 10 soul. And this is really useful when it's hyped collection, the listings are going all the way down here. And for example, like how does this work? Yesterday you can buy easily like some of soul stats for the legendary for kind of like 3.5, I believe, and today the floor for it is 3.5, and you can just sell it easily for 4.5 or 5. This is just like free flip, and this is how money are making in here. So this is my second strategy. So the only flaw here is that it's not automatic. Because if we take kind of Vision or Soul Sniper or any like other AI extension, we can just load into there some of parameters, and it's just buying for us automatically. We don't even have to do anything. And here you have to sit and you have to click on any collection. You have to analyze, you have to think, you have to check all of the collections. You have to know the floor for a lot of collections. You have to make the tough decisions like pretty every, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 minutes. So yeah, this is not automatic, and I think this is a really huge flaw, because we just want to click a few buttons, and for our extension, our AI, our web just doing everything for us. But for me, I think you got the really huge opportunities in here, because you can track really lots of collections. You can check out, you can the bot can like change his mind. He can't like look for change for the floor price or something like that. So if you're human, of course you can understand all of that and buy something a little bit cheaper, a little bit higher, a little bit lower, and something like that. So it's a really huge flexibility in this web. Of course, this is not my personal recommendation. I just want to show you what I've bought, how does it working, and what can you do with it. And if you're looking for some tool that can be really useful on sniper NFTs, I think this is one of the best right now. Not the best, of course, because there is really plenty of them. We got the Soul Sniper, we got some extensions, kind of Vision, and all other things. So this is just one of them. It may be not the best, and the price for it is really dumb for the past days, but I think it's really useful when you're sniping a few collections, or if you want to take some legendary items, some legendary NFTs for a really low price. And I know I haven't tested it for a listings, but I think it will be a really useful on the any listing while Magic Eden is not working properly, so you just buy it out directly from your blockchain. I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope it was useful for you. See ya.